What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back with another reaction video for you guys. Now comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And y'all know we post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. You know we got a little fresh cut, you don't know, chopping and get sexy for the girls them. Yeah. And also I have Teejay, Moonlight. I hope it's a girl song, you know, because I've rented to a girl song in like 2 days and that's long enough. We like seeing the females with them sexy body. People, right up on the like button, please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new and there to 10,000 subscribers to support the Jamaican boy. Okay guys, now I'm gonna try to keep the videos clean from now on. I need to stop the cursing, yo. Okay, let's go. Teejay, Moonlight. DJ Fresh. Woo! Alright, Tarek, please keep the video clean. But look at that girl, yeah! Tattoo on the cheek side. Oh, I stuck in. Me go say your foot black and I never say your body, but I go and build me look my picture. Well, I know slow motion. Oh, guys, if you want to watch the video without me pausing it, link to the original videos down below in the description of my video. You can go pre it. But to hear from my reactions, you're gonna get my reactions, okay? No, let me see her sexy body. Yep. Ooh. No. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. No, wait. Is he singing the song? Let me run the tune. Hold on. Run tune. Hold on, too fast. Hold on. Wait for go back in that song. Teejay, you find it, bro. God. Bumbo clean. Run tune. She said, why maybe I can't put it by me. She said, Chippy, I did that chipping. Hear the man voice. She said, well, his voice change, everything change. But that girl just catch me eye. That video character in a slow motion and silent, people. Keep it clean, PG 13. No June. Pussy by me. You know, see your pussy too tight. Hey! Keep it clean. And me I cuss at him and me. At him. I try to keep it clean, but... Yeah! Go on. Me fuck you more than 2 times. Make we fucking a demanding. Wait, why you like one of my high school friend them so from high school? No, wait. Reaction boss at it again. Yes, I'm at it again, bro. God, I'm not your company video. Big up yourself. But hold on. That be like one of my high school girl them so. Friend. But hold on. The man say it's too tight. You have to do it too. Me fuck you more than 2 times. Make we fuck in a demanding. In a the night we go fuck under the moonlight. Boy, in a the morning and the night. But 2 times I know they can't go it, but if you good, you need to do it more than 1 time. 3-4 times to the night alone and the man they get the morning one. Make she go on and work and feel good. But no. Go on, people. Like the video if you don't like the video. Like the video, people. That's going to help rank the video up more so more people can see the video. Understand me? Say if you watch the video right now and like the video, just please like the video and support Jamaica more. Let's go. Turn up the roof light. Go in a fridge for some cool ice. Turn up the roof light. Go in a fridge for some cool ice. And them lyrics are the yard man lyrics. Them nothing I use. Turn up it. Go in a fridge. Is it me? One more click. Go on. Cocky like a food fight. Then she look for me and say ya who fight. Hold on, when you say about shadow with the D like our fight, what did he say? Shadow what? Me a stitch it and a stitch it and a stitch it. You a Grammy. You don't know when you walk it to the dog. Keep it clean. You know when you're working right and she's just crawling your back and she's just you know, she's just caressing your skin later. You know what I mean? Yeah. Love how your pussy wet up, you me love your punani. She said why maybe a big up. Why she shapes so good? She's so curvaceous. She's so pretty. No, sir. Yeah, Teejay, them video I like. You know, them video I like, you know. You know, if you have 1 million girl night, just 1-on-1 will look good and we will look on her for the whole day. Go on. Put it by me. She said, Chippy, I did that, Chippy, get pussy by me. Don't you know your belly and a stitch it and a stitch it. Don't you know, and a stitch and a. Brother, I swear me down with that she. You swear me I sweat now? A water run off of my face. Water. And I swear to God, water I'm done with that shit. Go on.
You a Grammy. Expensive dress, me slap your pan, your ass, kid the cocky, you must.
Expensive. That not like she have none. Look at. That all up in her little. Keep it clean. That up in her. Keep it clean, boy. Keep it clean, bro. But then, you know, look, see what she have on. There's some string them. Keep it clean, bro. Go on back in the video, Tyre. Go on back in the video.
You massage your body, nah, no flaws. Body ya broke off like you nah come off me a deal with.
You know some of them girls, brother. You know when I lie down, brother. Keep it clean. Keep it clean. But you know, me not keep it clean. Me just not go curse. But you know when I lie down, brother. And she a ride. You know she a move fast. Like she knock.
With your rat like me nah no heart, she say. Our last boyfriend a old fat. Cause him lazy and always come fast.
Who yes man that? You can't, well. I'm not gonna say a waste man okay? So when a girl, when a female looking so beautiful as this young lady right here, brother, as you insert your boss, that good body girls do, good thing girls do. Understand? Keep it clean. Go on!
Two are we together, lovers part. Ready for the second round, she say fuck off.
No, but oh, so she said no, she don't want a second round. She said go on where you go. She has to fi F off. You see me say she don't watch that. The second round go get too much, they go mash out. Go on with the tune.
Me a stitch it and a stitch it and a stitch it. You a Grammy.
Alright, the girl that played the role, but your woman a go beat you. But see, you in that video too much. You feel it too much. You enjoy it too much. You enjoy it too much. Your woman a go beat you. Look on your face. Look on him face.
You enjoy. Yes. She said why me?
What she a do? Go on, do no. But people like the video from like the video. Go on.
Baby, girl, put it by me.
Yeah.
Of
course, but do not like people. Contribute a little bit, you know, of course again, right? So what I go on and say.
We fuck you more than 2 times. Make we fucking a demanding.
No, me don't people. The girl that get 10,000 different smash in a different kind of ways in a car, you don't know in a Betsy. No, me don't call my car Betsy, everybody can in Betsy, but you don't know it's your people. Smash a like on the video so the video get rank up, then more people get to see the video, understand me, I say people, and comment some comment section. Be a fair emoji in the comment section, and if your girl look good, more sooner comment. 10 in the comment section. And let me know anything about the name of the gang. Reaction Gang. It sound good? You can live with it? Reaction Gang. Everybody have them kind of subscribers. So Reaction Gang. What's popping Reaction Gang? I'm out.